She's the love of my life. I love her so much. Thank you, baby. It's okay. Thank you. Do you see what a story or no? You want a story again? Yo, what you got? Let's go.
To you, my brother, man. God bless you. Have fun. Hello. Any person of DJ? Oh no. How fun are you doing?
I'm good, my brother.
You enjoy your voice. Oh no, it's sweet. It's sweet like Pami. They hear my voice. Oh yeah. But you get what you do when I don't like. Oh, you see that song? You just say see body sing yash. You don't already marry our sister now. You only sing yash. I be alive. Say I lie. Say it's supposed to say sing yash. So anything you want to now, Priscilla go the singer for whole year. You go perform that song now. Priscilla go be the V-sing. I be alive. Oh yeah, mommy Rakim Muda. Daddy Rakim. Mama
Where is she, Mommy Rakim?
Mommy Rakim, Daddy God. And you don't say love in Tokyo. And I say Titanic. Everywhere in plus. Oh, we don't give our sister now. They plus, they fresh. Hello. 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 Any question of the night? If you love Juma, make some noise. I'm not worried. I'm a serial. They're going to perform for her. Mommy Rakim Muda.
Hey, where is she now again?
Where is she now again, Ibo? Where is she now again? Where you put that? Where you put Mommy Rakim? Mommy Rakim. Okay, Mommy Rakim is a far away. You perform your C body, but Mommy Rakim there somewhere. As they sing, just they point to Mommy Rakim so that we go know say now this.
Okay.
Hello, we crazy for Nigeria. You dey hear me? We crazy for Nigeria.
Okay.
All our men, only one woman that they get you. na Ghanaian. Hey, Charlie, shut up. Perform, Baru. Oh yeah, perform.
Let's go! guys. First of all, my brother Jukes, you know I love you so much, my brother.
No,
Got too much love and respect for you.
Yeah, no, thank you, my brother. Thank you.
You know, you want more? You want more? But you guys got energy though. And the vibe. You guys got the vibe. You sure? But what you have? Oh, do you guys got energy? Can I hear that Giddy's energy? That Lagos energy? That Nigerian energy? I do what you have.
Como ça va? Comment ça va, nana? Aïe, ça va. Aïe, ça va, nana.
Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? You sure? Juma, should I give them more?
Of course.
Huh?
They're my people. You need to give them more, man.
Oh,
Make
I don't know. But are you guys ready to party though? Are you guys ready to party? If you're ready to party, put your hands in the sky. Drop it. Like you're in Tanzania. Because if I look at you, it makes me feel like I want to take all of you and go back home to Tanzania. Would you please come with me? Can we please fly together? Because now I'm looking at Jukes now. Here's someone in here. It makes me, I'm envying him. I feel like I need someone from here. I'm just kidding. You know, I'm a good boy and, you know, I'm not doing those things like, you know. I've only one person back in Tanzania. Oh no? Huh? Yeah, I have, you know, I'm a very loyal person and, you know, I have one person that I'm not. Do I look like a playboy? I'm not. I have only one girlfriend back home in Tanzania. Who said Fontana here? No. I never said Fontana. Who's she? Who's she? Who is she? That's what I mean. So you guys are saying like, Attribution! On the one! And I came all the way from Tanzania to support you, my brother.
I appreciate my brother.
Yes, yes, and I just want to tell you that you're my brother.
Yeah.
And I will forever be your brother.
Thank you, my brother.
Your friend.
Thank you.
Family.
Thank you.
We will forever be brothers. Just know that anywhere you're there, I'm there.
Anywhere you there, I'm there. Thank you so much, my brother. Diamond Platnumz is always, as he said, he's my brother. We're friends, we're family. We do business sometimes. Anywhere I want him to be, will be no matter what, we'll find a way. So please, this is family. Make some noise for him one more time for me, please.
So tomorrow morning I'll be heading to Sierra Leone. I have a show tomorrow there. But I said, no, I need to come here first to support my brother, to see you. You see? And I want to tell you that thank you so much for the huge support for my brother, for me, for African musicians, and the whole culture. We love you so much. Yes. Yes, you guys are making us proud now. We feel so good. We feel so proud to be African now. And, you know,
Jukes. Yeah, what do you got? Yo, let's go.
I said, oh Lord, come on, keep. Basu sinking be, oh yeah, oh Lord, when don't para from. Can I get a kiss? I wanna. What is this? Sing now. Say. And now we love you.
Big love for you, my brother. Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you so much. Thank you for your support. Thanks for the love. I love you so much. See you next time. I love you so much. Thank you.